Hello and welcome to TheGhostOfSabotage show once again. It is day 7, no, not 7, 10, and on the old drinking nothing but water. Hopefully, think in the next few days, this whole caffeine withdrawal will bugger off and whatnot. Here's hoping tomorrow will be headache free. Hopefully. Anyway, yes. Anyway, nature's really starting to do its thing, sort of coming and whatnot with the stinging nettles. And what are these things called again? Not bamboo. It's always been there. For some odd reason. Dock leaf, I think they're called. Yeah, this tree definitely needs to come out. Clearly rotten. Quite rotten indeed. Ah, good grief. Nature. Spring has finally sprung. It's been warm enough for the nature to really start growing all the plants and whatnot. Anyway, it's going to be a lot warmer. But in Britain, there'll probably be a cold snap around the corner at some point. If anything, what's the word? Well, the past few years, March have been a weird month. Always like a few days here and there. A few days get a really strong cold snap. Don't know why. Seems to be a theme the past several years. Anyway, I shall end this here. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, Tyler Hero.